Baby Doggy Queen prices heat up as the Pup Queen frenzy continues. What to now? The Pup Queen frenzy continues, and Baby Doggy is providing it should not be ignored. You don't need to read too many headlines to know that we are in the midst of a pup queen frenzy that has come to dominate investment circles over the course of 2021. Spring brought the rise of Dogecoin, Doge USD, and all tough rushes on Shiba Inu, SHIB USD, and newcomer Floki Inu, Floki USD have overtaken most crypto token coverage. Recently, another offshoot of Dogecoin has also been enjoyed a surge. Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge USD prices are rising, and investors who went long in early September are enjoying the ride. Baby Dogecoin prices are on the move. What has Baby Doge's recent price trajectory been like? In short, it's been pretty good. As of these rating prices are up 3.9% for the hour, almost 10% for the day, and over 105% for the week. All its gains for the month are even impressive, exceeding 150%. This may be the puppy version of this craze, but it's proven that as far as dog inspired tokens go, it can hunt. Baby Dogecoin prices are on the move.